God bless po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po for being here. And of course, thank you so much for having us.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. We are very honored to be here, and we are very happy to be standing here in front of you all. And I hope you guys are having fun, and God bless us all.
Maria, do you have anything to say to them?
Again, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat and sana po lahat tayo ay nag-enjoy and please do support Honor and we are so grateful to be in this event. So maraming salamat po.
Thank you so for joining us. Jen Rose, of course, alam ko excited ka mag-hello sa ating mga fans here this afternoon. What would you like to say to them?
Hello, everyone. Thank you for having us here. I hope that we all get to enjoy the honors event. Thank you.
And Catherine, we're going to give the stage to you now.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I know me and my fellow sisters are so exhilarated to be here with you today for the grand launch of the Honor 600. We're just so grateful and we're hoping you're all having a wonderful time.
A round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen, for our Miss Philippines Queens. But you guys are not yet going because tonight or today, we will be joined here on stage by some of the lucky people that we were able to get from the audience this afternoon who get to experience the magic of Honor 605G. So, we have our lucky fans ready. Come up here on stage and join your queens because we will be playing a little game for this afternoon called Real or Made with Honor AI. So choose your group mates. Ooh, okay, so you guys have already divided yourselves into two groups. First things first, what is your name? Saan ka galing? And bakit ka nandito ngayon sa event natin this afternoon?
My name is Kim Pauline, and nandito ako ngayon kasi gusto ko makita yung show nila. And excited ako na makita si James. Makita ko yung yung honor na gusto ko rin na mabili.
Malay mo naman, mabili mo na after because after all, this is the first day sale of Honor 605G. So thank you so much and welcome to the event. How about you, your name and what brought you in today's event?
Actually, my name is AJ. I'm actually here for my girlfriend because she wants to see Rabin, and also I'm excited for the release of Honor because I'm a very big fan of Honor.
The scores are tied. Now, tingnan natin kung sino ang mananalo with the last round that we have for this afternoon. Which one is real? Which one is made with Honor AI? Okay, 3, 2. Ay, ang bilis. This one. Dapat alam mo to. Ikaw to. Ikaw to, Allison. Okay, which one is real? Which one is made with Honor AI? Pag-isipan.
Hindi. So this one is made with Honor AI. Kasi wala naman akong hawak na
The scepter.
Yes. So this one is made from Honor AI.
Oo. So dito may hawak siyang beat. may hawak siyang honors. May hawak siyang scepter. So made with Honor AI. And this is your official photo. So let's see which one is made with Honor AI. And the answer is this one! Pero malay mo, baka may scepter sa international.
Right, diba?
So thank you very much. Again, congratulations to Team Beauty sa ating winner for this afternoon's game. Now, I just want to know, Jen, Catherine, and Allison, of course, what's your favorite feature of Honor 605G?
My favorite feature would have to be the AI. I remember when we had our shoot with Honor, they kind of gave us a glimpse then kung ano ba yung itsura namin with the Miss Universe crown. Para siyang ganon. So in a way, makukuha mo din yung feeling. Parang it brings you to that reality. So it really is a favorite feature of mine.
Oh, mine is definitely the 700 mAh battery.
Magamit ka ba ng phone?
Yes!
Okay.
So I don't have to constantly look for a charger or bring power bank with me kasi it can last all day na.
Interesting. Parang oo nga, no? Kasi magdala ka ng power bank natin.
Yes.
Just get a powerful phone. How about you, Catherine?
For me, on the other hand, it would definitely have to be the camera because I'm definitely starting to get into vlogging, my everyday life. So I think it's perfect, and I love the pop of color on the phone.
That is true. So thank you so much, Jen, Catherine, and Allison. And now let's move on to our team queens. Although hindi kayo nanalo for the game, of course, you guys are gonna be winners for your competition. We're praying for that. Now, Mariam and Chexi, what is your favorite feature of Honor 605K?
Me, my most favorite would be the image turning into video. It's very interesting. We're able to showcase our creativity, and that's my favorite. If you want to know how to turn our image into video, you can watch my recent vlog.
Nagamit na kagad sa vlog niya. Diba? Agad-agad. Kunin mo, ambassador. Trexie, how about you?
Nasabi na lahat ng girls. Well, aside sa very elegant na design ng Honor, well, same with Kat. We are very, when it comes to taking pictures and videos. And we're very grateful that we have Honor with us. And also the AI to image. And if you have a fantasy when you go to Paris or anywhere, you can really make it with Honor now by using the AI to image feature.
Well, thank you, Trexie and Maria, for that. Of course, we're so excited to see your journeys kapag nag-compete na kayo internationally. Take photos, take videos to update your fans through your journeys sa mga upcoming competitions. So good luck, girls. And thank you as well, Christine, Joey, Mike, AJ, and Kim for joining us here on stage. Now, we're just gonna take a group photo. And please squeeze in, everybody, so we will all be seen and move forward over here. Alright, now for a groupie, give your best smiles in 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much. One more. Thank you so much, Kim, AJ, Mike, Joey, and Christine. Now we're going to be requesting our beauty queens to stay here on stage for another batch of photo op. And maraming salamat to all the fans. Thank you so much. Alright, we'll just get the microphone so that you guys can flex your phones. Oh. Alright, more photos with our queens. Their upcoming competitions, they will for sure bring pride and honor to our country. So maraming salamat for the time. And of course, for being here, our stunning beauty queens. And we hope for the best in their upcoming competitions. Maraming salamat, Marian, Trexie, Alizan, Jen Rose, and Catherine. Okay, more photos with the crowd. Of course, we'd love to see you guys in this photo. So please, if you guys can see the camera, just smile. All right, one more selfie with the girls. Thank you, everyone. Everybody, muli palakpakan naman natin the Miss Philippines Queens. Thank you, Marian, Trixie, Alison, Jen Rose, and Catherine. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Maraming salamat. It's truly an honor to have you guys here on stage, and we cannot wait for you guys to bring back the honor to the Philippines and the pride. Maraming salamat. Good luck in your upcoming competitions. Wow.